Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoes Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make pineapple cucumber lemonade. First and foremost, big up Father God Oye. Now I am going to show you all the ingredients I am going to use to make the pineapple cucumber lemonade. So this is the pineapple I am going to use, and this is an organic pineapple, well sweet. Going to use piece of ginger, organic ginger also, 2 lemons, 3 cucumber. So here I'm going to set on a pot of water to boil because I'm going to boil the pineapple skin. 8 cups of water to the pot. I'm going to turn on the stove. First I am going to break off the top of the pineapple. Just like this. I'm going to wash it off now before me peel it. So I'm just going to peel off the skin and put them to boil in the water. So now I'm going to make them boil for 20 minutes. I'm just going to cut them in cubes. So you want to make sure you peel off this white part of the lemon. If you don't peel it off, the juice is going to be bitter. So you want to make it look like that. This is how you know it's organic. It's have seed inside, okay? Fully organic. So I use a brush to brush the ginger to get off the dirt off of them. because I'm going to blend them with the skin. So it is already 20 minutes since the pineapple skin them boiling. Now I'm going to turn off the stove and allow it to cool down. After it cool down, I'm going to blend everything together in the blender. So now I'm cutting up the cucumber. Just going to cut off the end. This is garbage. Okay, now that it cooled down, I am going to blend everything in the blender. So this is the blender I am going to use, and I'm using a Ninja blender. I'm going to fill up the blender with the fruits. Just about that. I'm going to put some of the pineapple skin. The water from the skin. This blender is very powerful, so I can fill it up with the fruits, no problem. Now blend. Alright, that is it. So now I am going to strain it off, and I'm going to strain it off twice. I'm going to use this strainer first, and then I'm going to use another smaller strainer. So this is the pulp. We're not going to use this to do anything. This is trash. Okay, here you have it. Just need to chill on ice. A nice, refreshing pineapple cucumber lemonade, perfect for the summer. You don't need no sugar in this one, my people. As long as the pineapple is sweet, you don't need no sugar. Just going to have a drink. Now I'm going to put the rest in the fridge. This is so refreshing. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. Peace out.
Briscoes Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoes Kitchen and Spice.